Hello everyone and welcome to The Ride, my Blender car animation course created for beginners and intermediate users who want to get into car animation. I'm so proud to present this project. It's more than 64 videos and 11 hours of training, and today I can finally share it with you. In this course, you are going to cover all the topics you need to master in order to create your own 3D projects, such as environment design, lighting, animation, camera framing for TikTok, Instagram or YouTube short, smoke simulation, DaVinci Resolve, sound effects, and the list goes on. I will also provide all the necessary assets that you need to follow along. My updated city pack with skyscrapers, city props, and 22 new buildings that you can use in all your animations. HDRI Magic to create realistic animations in a few clicks, and with the collaboration of Ashour cars, 3D Shaker, and Zephyr 3D, you will also get this C63 AMG, this Audi RS5, this Corvet C8, and this beautiful Mustang. Yes, everything is included in this course. Although we will create complex animations, you don't need any previous knowledge of Blender or 3D. In the contrary, I've created this course for absolute beginners who are eager to learn 3D animation and particularly car animations. Yes, we will learn Blender through different examples involving vehicles, but my goal is really to teach you key concepts that you will be able to reproduce on any kind of projects. And that's not all. In order to support you in the best way possible, I've created a Discord server dedicated to the students of this course, where you can ask for help at any time. I will be personally there answering your questions. And for the launch phase, this course is 25% off. So if you always wanted to start your journey in 3D and car animation, now is the time. I will leave the link to the course in the description. As always, thanks for your support and I'll talk to you soon.